ribs out on the left
Yeah,
side.
I felt that.
Feel here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ugh. They always be popping out, and I feel that. I don't know why.
We're gonna put right back in. Big breath in. And out. Awesome. Relax there. Breath in. All the way out. Bring your head up towards me. There. Yeah. Breathe that one in.
That's so crazy. So I guess it like wasn't my shoulder. It was like my rib was like popped out of place.
So when your rib pops out this way, your ribs sit like
Yeah, that's
that.
where it hurts.
And then this is your shoulder blade here.
Yeah.
So if the ribs are popped out and you're moving your shoulder blade, it's going to irritate that shoulder blade,
Yeah,
causing
no, I felt that
dysfunction within your
everywhere. I
shoulder.
felt that. Yeah, bro. Like, I'm telling you.
Like your rib can just be popped out and you supposed to be walking.
Cause I be telling him, I'm like, I think my rib's out of place, and he's like, what? Like, like no, bro, like it's chill.
It's cool. We're gonna go see Dr. G, and he's gonna put it back in.
Yeah, that one's not bad either. You really be popping them ribs right back into place really easily.
It's a noticeable difference.
Yeah, it is.
There you go.
Mm.
Awesome. Come on over this way. To the left, to the left. There we go.
Yay. No.
I know. Oh, yeah. This is a pain in the butt.
Ow! Why?
Why? Because we gotta get those hips supported.
They don't want to be
Release
supported.
some pain.
They don't want to be supported.
3, 2, 2, 1. Good. Even though we like beat you guys up.
Yeah, I
And
haven't
you
had a
still come
headache
back
in like
and
a
do
lot
it?
of days. This isn't that bad.
I like it.
Come hang out, wear Malibu.
Adjustments on the beach.
Yeah.
Wow.
What?
So that's when the spine goes out of alignment.
Yeah.
Of course, as you know, it puts interference on our nerves that go into our muscles. So when the spine's out of alignment, it irritates the nerves, causing tension, tightness on the nerves that supply out onto the muscles. So the muscles get tight, it restricts blood flow, causes ischemia, so that's basically just lack of blood and hypoxia, lack of oxygen going into the muscle tissue, and then that creates pain. Slow breath in and out of the way. There we go. Awesome. There we go. Right side was a little bit more stiff, surprisingly, than the left. Even though you've been so busy, you've still been getting some movement in your life. Just a little hiking here and there.
Yeah.
Let me know if it gets too much, all right?
Okay.
There we go. And out, stay close. Well, look at us.
Wow, it's shifting.
Move it.
You feel that all tight there?
Mm-hmm.
You feel it all tight?
Hold in the breath. Hold it. Little weakness.
Oh, that one's tighter.
Yeah. That's your throwing arm here.
Yep.
You have to- Let's go face down, please.
My left shoulder was killing me. I golf like 2 to 3 times a week for like a month sometimes. And I was like, yeah, I put a little bit too much strain and stress on it.
Right. That side we're gonna work on. Pain in
Yeah.
the front.
Yeah,
Okay.
front and in the back right here.
I know exactly what we're gonna
Yeah.
do. We're gonna bring this arm out straight.
Okay.
Push up here.
God.
Yes.
Yeah.
Felt that move.
Yeah,
huh?
oh yeah.
That was great. Yes, sir.
That was like C1 to C9 or C7. Oh, that was a lot.
We got one more to do. It's gonna be in the upper back area.
Okay.
Yes. Good. Well done.
It's so bad.
Your body is the best gift you could have, and you should take care of it. And yeah, you don't want to walk around feeling paralyzed.
We only got one body. We gotta take care of that body.
My pleasure, Alex.
Missed you guys, man.
We missed you too.
I love being here.
Come on
love
over
it.
here.